you know how to lubricate door hinges and door locks in your truck? My name is Vitor and I'm going to show you how to. Keeping the door hinges and locks lubricated in your truck is essential for preventing stiffness, squeaks and wear. Today, we're showing you how to properly lubricate these components. For this task, we'll be using Valvoline Lubricant PTF spray, an excellent choice for lubricating door hinges and locks thanks to its versatility and effective lubricating properties. Start by shaking the can well to mix the contents. This ensures you get the full benefit of its lubricating properties. Aim the spray nozzle at the door hinges. A short burst of spray on each hinge is usually sufficient. A good spray can penetrate deeply and reduce friction and protect against rust and wear. For the door locks, attach the straw to the spray nozzle for a more precise application. Insert the straw into the lock and apply a brief spray. High-quality products not only lubricate but also displace moisture, preventing freezing and corrosion within the lock mechanism. After applying, gently open and close the door several times to work the lubricant into the hinges and locks. This ensures thorough coverage and optimal operation. Thank you for watching. For more maintenance tips and to explore Valvoline's full range of products, make sure to subscribe to our channel.